Did you know that faceless channels on YouTube are earning up to $333 per day without ever revealing their faces? And with this new launch of a revolutionary tool called InVideo AI, you can effortlessly create engaging YouTube videos ready to go viral. This tool generates scripts, voiceovers, selects footage and music, and compiles everything with a single click, all using a simple prompt. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do it too.
Let's get into it.
The first step you need to take is selecting a niche. The fun part is that this can be applied to any niche, but I'd suggest considering fitness, business, travel, health, or motivation. However, feel free to choose the one that suits you best. Personally, I've opted for the finance niche due to its high RPM potential. Now you will have to do some research and find a viral idea to create. To do that, you should look for channels with a low subscriber count that have videos with high views. This indicates that the video is going viral. For example, this video right here has 1.5 million views, while the channel has 34K subscribers. However, it's an old video. Do the same for your niche and find newer videos. Now we are going to generate the video using InVideo AI. When you click on the link in the description, you will see this. First, this is where you can input a prompt and give detailed instructions to create your video. Keep watching, because I have a prompt for you to generate the best videos possible. Anyways, let's first try a simple prompt and see what we are going to get. For example, I'm going to go with something like, generate a 45-second video about why stocks are a good investment for teenagers. Then click on generate a video. First, the tool will analyze the prompt and give you a title for your video. Then, you have to choose the audience, the look, and the platform where you will publish the video. Then click on Continue. InVideo will then give you an AI-generated preview to see before downloading your video. Let's see how it looks.
Welcome to the world of finance, where the stock market invites you to play a game of risk and reward. Stocks, you see, are not just for the experienced, they're an opportunity for the young too. Think of it as a treasure hunt, where you invest your pocket money today, and who knows, it might multiply into a fortune tomorrow. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree.
That was very good. I know you might be confused with the watermarks in the video, but no worries, we will remove them later in the video, so stay tuned. Let's go back and try a more specific prompt and see if we can get better results. The prompt we are going to be using is this one. Take a screenshot so you can remember it. There are two ways to fill this prompt. Starting with the first one, you can come to the same link, then copy-paste the prompt from the description. After that, start filling it with your video details. The first thing to add is the platform you will be posting the video on. In our case, it's YouTube. After that, add a detailed explanation of the video. I will try to give it a harder video topic to see if it can really make it work. Then, add the duration you want the video to be. I'm going to fast forward the rest. When you finish filling the prompt, click on Generate a Video. But before that, let me show you an easier way to fill this prompt. You can go to Select Workflow, then select your video type. In our case, it's YouTube Explainer. In here, you have everything you need to fill to get the best results. The first box here is for the video duration. Just select it from the drop-down instead of writing it. Typically, 8+ minutes are the best, so you can add mid-roll ads on YouTube and make more money. The second box is where you can tell the AI how you want the video to be. Try to go into deep details to get the best results. In the third box, you can add additional creative thoughts, such as tone and sense of humor. It's crazy how good this tool actually is. The next things are background music, then gender and accent. This tool has very specific accents, such as Californian accent or Midwestern accent. Then you can just click on Continue and go through the same steps as we did earlier. Let's see how it looks.
Visualize this scenario. By the year 2033, experts forecast that the price tag on your cup of coffee could catapult drastically to $10. A chilling forecast indeed. But what's really brewing beneath this prediction? The culprit is a little economic phenomenon we know as inflation. Inflation, in simpler terms, can be personified as a sly burglar, slinking its way into your wallet and gradually lessening the worth of every dollar you've toiled for. But the reach of this stealthy thief is extensive, much beyond your morning cup of joe. Its influence pervades every facet of your life, subtly tweaking the price of everything that constitutes your day-to-day living. Consider this. You walk into a grocery store, your shopping list in hand, only to find that price of milk has shot up. Your weekly groceries, once a fraction of your...
Okay, let's say for example you didn't like the video. There are 3 ways to edit it. The first one, go to the bottom left corner and click on Regenerate. Then click on Regenerate and change the settings you want. InVideo AI will create a whole new video with new stock footage, new music, a new script, and everything.
Visualize this scenario. By the year 2033, experts forecast...
If you regret it and want the original video, you can have it too by clicking on Regenerate. Let's say, for example, you like the video but want to change a scene. You can go to Edit, pick the one you want to change, then search for whatever stock footage you want and replace it. Then click Apply, and InVideo will make the change for you.
Visualize this scenario. By the year 2033, experts forecast that
You can also change the script by going to Edit, then Edit Script, and you can change it manually. So far, this is basic stuff, but the best feature in this is that you can also edit with prompts. You can talk to the AI as if it's a human and ask it for modifications. For example, I will ask it to expand the first scene script because I find it too short, and it just does it for you. You can also ask it for anything you want. You can ask it to change the voiceover, start the video with a phrase you like, literally anything.
Visualize this scenario. By the year 2033, experts forecast that the price tag on your cup of coffee could catapult...
Now, after your video is ready, click on Export, choose the quality, then select No Watermark and choose None. But most importantly, starting with InVideo AI is easy and free, which is great if you're just getting started with making videos. But if you're serious about video creation and want to publish videos without a watermark, which I highly recommend, it's a good idea to upgrade to a paid plan. By upgrading, you get rid of the watermark and your videos will look more professional. So if you're serious about making great videos, it's a good idea to consider the paid plans, which start at $20 per month. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in the quality of your videos. That was it. Don't miss the AI opportunity like you missed Bitcoin in 2013 and NFTs last year. Take it to your advantage. Make sure to subscribe if you liked the video for more. Also, subscribe to my email list below for free.